how do we identify a narcissist using astrology? My name is Fox Red Sky. I am an astrologer. I am a soul coach, and I am here to discuss something that's a little bit dark. It is, how do you identify a narcissist using astrology? And for those of you who have ever encountered a narcissist and survived that shit, tip of the hat to you, because that is a huge load of shit. You know, I mean, that's like just, it's one of the most awful experiences in the world, hands down. So as an astrologer, you know, of course, my brain always goes back to of like, well, could I have known they were a narcissist, crazy son of a bitch? Well, you know, I think that yes, I could have. So I feel that there are definitely placements, and if you have any, if you're an astrologer or an astrologer enthusiast, and you have your own experience with narcissism or dealing with a narcissist and their placements, please put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion as well. But my experience and what I know as an astrologer, what I would say, okay, that's probably a narcissist. They may be different, but here I'll go ahead and share this. So the narcissist that I dated had heavy 8th house placements and a lot of planets in retrograde and a lot of planets in Scorpio. So there was like definitely that obsession going on there, that stalker, like crazy person, you know, like I can't live without you, but I'm going to torture you because I'm a narcissist. But also, I mean, so that was my personal experience dealing with a narcissist and knowing their chart. But also there was a huge weird conjunction with their ego, the sun, their sun sign, and Chiron. And this is my heart of hearts, this is what I truly believe, that when you're dealing with a narcissist, you're dealing with a lot of unhealed trauma from your childhood, from either the mother or the father. So this could be in either one of these placements. So you could either have been triggered by your, you know, masculine or your father, or you could have been triggered by your mother. And this is where I see narcissism, is whenever you have Chiron, usually having to do with like identity, usually having to deal with like being rejected, and now I'm going to be the center of attention, and me, and everything's about me. So that's where my logic takes me whenever when I'm looking at somebody with narcissistic traits, or I'm looking at somebody who has the unhealed, you know, Chiron that's kind of blocking or squaring or conjunct their sun in the 8th house or in the 12th house. This is where I see a lot of like narcissism dealing with the subconscious and our two parents. Anyway, it's a hard thing to talk about, you know, because when you're dealing with, if you've ever experienced any trauma dealing with a narc, and you know, it's scary, y'all guys. It is no joke, dude. It is not a laughing matter. It's just like, no, thank you, no, thank you, no, thank you. It's even kind of like making me, my palms a little sweaty just talking about it, because it reminds me of my narcissist. So, and I love you. And if you've ever had to deal with a narcissist, I'm so sorry, my love. I send you all the divine healing from the universe. And if you're in a relationship with a narcissist now, get out. I would just escape that cycle, because it's never ending. It just keeps going and keeps going. I don't know how to fix a narcissist. I don't think it's my job. I think it's the narcissist's job to fix the narcissist. But, you know, God bless them on their spiritual journey, and just, you know, but you have so much light in this world to share with the world and to create and to imagine, and you don't need anyone dimming your light and your beauty. So I send you all my love wherever you are in the world. Yeah.